Every day, Golf Cart Garage gets questions just like this one.
Alexa, how do I speed up my golf cart?
Every golf cart is different. You should call Golf Cart Garage.
So it's time to Ask Dave right now on GCGTV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we discuss golf cart speed. Today we'll look at an overview of the topic in very general terms and tell you how to get real answers on your specific cart. But this topic is difficult to research online just because of the widely varied powertrains available in different gas carts and technologies powering 36 or 48 volt electric carts. So obviously the answers aren't universal. We have a great article on this topic and much more in the resources section at golfcartgarage.com because we really do get this question on an everyday basis. You can find a link to that article in the video description below, but basically it outlines two types of projects you might want to consider. The first project type is for drivers who just want a bit more performance from their cart. Here we're looking at a nominal speed increase of just a few miles per hour. Larger tires and upgraded suspension will speed us up a bit on flat surfaces, but beware can sometimes also rob torque on hills. For electric carts, an investment in lithium batteries lowers the weight of the cart considerably and adds more efficient power, which are two things that can also speed us up. This also requires a battery charger with a lithium profile. For most gas carts, a governor adjustment can be made for a speed increase. Approach this project carefully and in small increments. Allowing the throttle to increase speed asks more of the engine and can cause damage if it's pushed too far. The second project type is for drivers who want to upgrade their cart to motor vehicle roadworthy speed. A dramatic change in capability like this generally requires an overhaul to the powertrain of the cart to really do it right. For electric carts, typically the motor, controller, solenoid, and wiring need to be considered. For a gasoline cart, we'd take a look at upgrading the engine, gears, and belts in order to help make the vehicle legitimately street savvy. Clearly, there's some rocket surgery involved here that will vary a great deal depending on your cart and its equipment and condition. Golf Cart Garage is here to help by email or phone if you're considering taking your cart from what the manufacturer intended at the factory up to the next level. We can even place a virtual technician on your screen for a remote face-to-face consultation to help with what you'll need. You can see all the information on that service right here. And while you're at it, roadworthy speed technically changes the classification of your vehicle from golf cart to LSV, or low speed vehicle, which can require more research into insurance and street legal equipment. You can check out our video on the basics of street legalization right here. We hope this helps take some of the mystery out of the topic and gets you on the right track for your project. But if you need help with anything else, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Alexa, who's your favorite YouTube golf cart mechanic?
I don't think that is a thing, but I like your hat.
I'll take it. Thanks for watching GCGTV.